Excuse me, boss. What is it? I need a break. Tomorrow I'm going out for dinner for 4th of July, and I need to see the fireworks. Well, that'll cost you $20, like 100, like a lot of money from your paycheck, okay? Okay, give me a sec. Here, $160. Okay, you can go for 2 hours. Then get back here. And one of our clients is Karen. Yes, sir.